What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. And now we're back in the studio again. I'm glad to be back. We had a lot of fun on vacation. Technically, I'm still on vacation in a way. We have a lot of things planned for this weekend, so I don't really expect a crazy amount of videos depending on what news we get into. But we're finally able to go into some news, some different things that are happening, and I've been tired of being kind of blind to what's going on, and then maybe recording for like 20 minutes or something and trying to catch up as quickly as possible. Obviously, we're going to be able to take some time. We need to get back into the swing of things, but I want to talk about cryptocurrency in this video, but specifically, I want to kind of focus on the way a traditionalist mind works about crypto or has been working about crypto. And I've seen this firsthand as well as seeing it more on the celebrity level, right? Let's call it celebrity level or politician level, but all of those places to where people are like, I'm either for it or against it, and then completely on the opposite side of things, which is honestly maybe going in our favor. Ultimately, when we look at it, because instead of going the opposite way of going like we're for it and now we're against it, it's mainly to where people were against it and now they're for it. So let's talk about that in this video. We're going to go through the crypto market, give you a little bit of an update, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. What I do hope you guys do is hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. Also, if you could hit that notification bell for more of these videos, I would appreciate it. And if you guys want to check out my link for Patreon, for Twitter, also for Margex, I've had a lot of people reach out to me and say, look, even at these downturns and when we see things that are falling, I'm still making money from Margex, which is fantastic. I love that you're able to trade both sides because that's what, trading is all about. If you're actively trading, it's not about just hoping that the market is going to absolutely skyrocket. You can have some for the long term, but also do some in the short term. Maybe it's a week, maybe it's 2 weeks, maybe it's one day, maybe it's an hour. But if you're trading both sides, you can find a way to be successful as long as you know how to read charts, as long as you know how to work through this. So feel free to hit my link for Margex. Check it out. That link is at the top of the description. But the reason why I wanted to bring this to you is because I wanted to start out with this article. And this may be more political, right? And I hope this doesn't cause a political debate. Understand that I'm not for one side or against one side. I'm pro good idea, right? And if you're with, part of what I believe is going to be great for this country, then yes, I will be all for what you have said there. But doesn't mean that I agree with everything that you have said. No. I don't care if you're the nicest person in the world. I will not agree with everything that you have to say because I mean we're all entitled to our opinion, right? But the reason why I say this is because we have this article here, which is NBC News. You're seeing Donald Trump flips on crypto from scam to building a crypto army. Now, this may be a politically driven or targeted title and article in a way, but the thing that I take from this is not like, oh, they're trying to attack, Trump or they're trying to attack Biden or whatever. Like, that's not what I'm taking from this. What I'm taking from it is that more and more people are talking about crypto, are believing in crypto, and not only just believing, but changing from a level of, hey, I don't think crypto is a great thing. I think it is a scam to crypto could be useful, right? And if you have someone that is a high ranking official that also believes that, I'm for whatever idea they have towards crypto to remain at the forefront, to remain positive in that light, right? And honestly, that could be good for MAGA Trump coin. It could be good for Super Trump coin. So for us as crypto investors, it makes it great, right? It makes it a great situation. Doesn't mean that everything he has to say is hands down the best thing ever. No. Doesn't mean everything that Biden has to say is hands down the best thing ever. No. If you are for what I like, I'm going to be supportive of it, right? So cryptocurrency, I'm supportive of it. And I want to see that support at every single rank, every single level of this country. Not only at my level, but anybody that may be lower, if you are, which, I don't know if you are, but or also if you're up at that high-ranking official or whatever, you're the ultimate decision maker. Um, the point is that crypto is now changing hands from being, hey, this is a scam, Warren Buffett style thinking, Dave Ramsey thinking, and you're like, okay, this is a scam, to now this is legit and could be used in many cases. So I wanted to talk about that because I feel as though it's not just politically driven, it's so much more than that, and now becomes in the news even more, but not for a negative thing. Now, I did want to check out what the crypto market is doing. Let me go ahead and refresh everything here. And if we currently look at the crypto market, it's down by 1%. We've been seeing this consistently drop for the last couple of days. While I was on vacation, I know we did see the market fall a little bit heavier, where we're down like 5%, 6% on some days, going from a 1.6, I believe, 2.6 trillion dollar market cap down to now a 2.4 trillion dollar market cap. However, you're still seeing Bitcoin's dominance up at the 54% range. You're seeing Bitcoin that's down to 66,000. You're seeing Ethereum that's down to 35,000. Now, it's not aggressively falling to where it's like one day that it's falling. It's happening over time. And we're seeing it hit lower levels, lower and lower and lower levels, which is good, honestly, because now it can set us up for maybe a little bit of a retracement, a buying opportunity. People can get in and watch the market fly and be in at a reasonable price rather than being in Bitcoin at 70,000 or Ethereum at 4,000 or BNB at 700 plus dollars. The point is that you're now able to find a lower level for yourself as maybe a new investor or whatever. Solana's down to 144. We're seeing it at a 2.4%. Dogecoin is down by 4%. We got Cardano down by 3%. Shiba Inu is down by 4.5%, 4.6%. Avalanche down by 5%, 3% for Polkadot. Some of the largest increases that we have, Lido DAO, we have Uniswap that's up by 1%, but not really many that are up by a lot, right? You have some positivity, and then you get down here. Kronos has dropped again. That's around 10 cents here. I want to see that grow a lot more, but not with these negative times. If we look at things that are dropping the most, you see CHZ that's down by 10%, Injective down by 7%, Fetch.ai down by 7%. You know that AI is going to be a bigger deal, so that's going to have some success. Wormhole that's down by 6%. Notcoin, that has risen quite a bit recently, sitting at a $2 billion market cap. I saw that when it was less than a $1 billion market. I didn't think anything of it, right? I didn't look into it. I didn't dive into the detail. This goes to show that there's so many opportunities that are out there that you can gain 100%, 200%, 500% on, right? And then if we look at my positions over here, which are positions in my watch list, anything that's moving the most, Lucky's Leprechaun, we have Sync that's moving quite a bit. That has come down from where I have an investment point. That was a mistake. I'll tell you that, to have that much in there. ALCX is up slightly. You're also seeing Ethereum XRP that's up slightly as well. Things that are down the most in my portfolio, Joe Biden coin. You have MAGA Trump that's down by 5%. And you have API3, you have Grok, all of those that are down by a significant amount. So things are not really looking great for the crypto market as of the time of recording this video, which is 8 a.m. When we post it, probably somewhere around 9 a.m. I'm not sure if it will fully come back. I don't think it will. I think it's going to kind of settle. Consolidation ends up leading to bullish momentum. So I think it's great. It's not great that we're seeing things fall, but it is great that we're seeing the support of crypto throughout all types of ranks in this country and honestly throughout the world. So I want to know what you guys think about this. Is this big news that we see support for traditionalists or people that were once against crypto now for crypto? I really want to know your opinion on that. But if you guys could, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.